Hi, this is Sayed with another video, and this part 1, and I'm playing Helm's Deep, if that's how you spell it. So I can only make it for 10 minutes, so maybe there are parts. I have to pass all these back on. Creepers. Yes, I found it. No. Run. Alright, I think I should make it peaceful right now. Because I can just walk there. Almost there. And yeah, I think I'm almost there. Yeah, I'm here. Let's just jump on that end. I think I'm almost there. Yes, and I made it. Now I think it's my castle, and I think I should turn it on medium, hard, or easy. One of them. Well, let me go up right now, and let's start. Whoa, maybe I can have some of these stuff. Yeah, I think I can. Well, let's just start. Option and hard. Now let's see the crowd. Oh, that's a big crowd that I have to escape till the morning. Well, I'm just gonna chill here. Well, that's cheating. And almost there. Yes. Here I am. Now I think mobs are supposed to be here. I think. Oh, what's this? Meant to be Legolas. Whoa, I think I'll have some of this too. And what? Did I put this on? Well, I think I should. And my let's king. Yeah, I wanna be king. And let's have some gold and iron helmet, and yeah, I think I'll replace it. Good idea, me. Now let's just put this. Oh yeah, I have to change my texture back because this Helm's Deep, the name. So they gave out a texture back with this, and that I should put right now. I put it on my last video, and here it is. So it's supposed to look like this, and I'm supposed to look like this. And I don't call that a king. Yeah, this seriously doesn't look like a king. Let's go. Now, where are the mobs? I didn't even kill one mob. But I hope I can. What was that? And I'm gonna go out there now. I think there's gonna be a creeper somewhere. I think I should just jump. If you think I should. Last time I played this map, a creeper was here chasing me. You think a creeper will be here? Maybe I should just hide in there. Well, I can just sleep. It's the easiest way to win. Yeah. Where's that noise that's come from? Gate? That's one. Okay, gold swords. What is that? Oh, they're all burning. Not my fault. Someone's trying to chase me here. I don't know. Alright, let's beat some. Why is it all a sleeping time? That's it. I'm gonna make it to the moon. have to end it here. Well, I know I have it. Maybe a little fighting water